What'd you say?
We're in the wrong area. There's a
Okay.
fan in here, but the lights are.
Stewart in another one of his favorite places. Go ahead, Stewart. Very cool. Actually, let me get back at the front entrance so you can kind of see where everything's laid out at. So, that skylight's really cool. There's a Batman up there. So this is right here over where you check in. So there's a Nutone here.
Yeah, that's my favorite right there. See,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Was this formerly a Nutone? No, that's another Emperor.
I bet you, is that the same as the wrong?
Yes. Okay, keep showing us. Where are we going? I feel like we're in a circle. What? Well, another Nutone with no light. Very cool. I don't want to show people dining, but that's a very cool lamp. And all these lamps are actually really cool. Okay, let's follow them. Oh, wow.
Sierra?
Yeah. Very cool. Doesn't work? Okay. I love how they have the little lamps everywhere. That's really cool. Just to be clear, Nutone, Emperor, another Nutone, Sierra. Okay, is that it, Stewart, or is there more? Let's follow Stewart. Okay, let's get one more shot of this. Oh, look at these little lamps. That's such a cool design. Okay. Okay, following you.
There's just newer stuff down here. Yeah, there's one for some rubber.
Okay, yeah, that's less impressive, although it fits.
Yeah. I think down here you have the takeout area that has the newer fans.
Yeah, this is
Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, now we've seen that. Oh, there's a little arcade area here too, with cool lights. What's up those stairs?
Oh, good up there.
We should go look.